This is my castle that I built in Minecraft. So first we have the throne room, which is where the king and queen sit and do their royal business, I guess. Then we have the mess hall where everyone eats, and there's also a little stage for performers. Then we have one of the few hangout areas where people can just sit down and do whatever. And then we have the guards' bedrooms, which have a lot of beds and also a kitchen. Over here is the map room where guards, or the king, queen, and guards can plan out whatever. Here we have the prayer room, I guess, with a book that is inspired by a video game I play. If it'll load. And then we have the library with a lot of books. Then we have the wizard's tower, where a wizard can like do research on magical items, as well as the observatory, where you can see the stars. Over here we have a bathroom where you can bathe in a room. Meanwhile, over here we have a little storage space, as well as the king and queen's bedroom with a little closet. And if we go up here, we have a study room for the king to study, as well as another little storage space. And then like I guess like a brewing room or something. And if we go up the stairs, we reach the top of a tower. It's the tallest tower. Now if we go back into this tower, we have a little room which is sort of like another study. And then we have the enchanting room for enchanting weapons and tools and armor. Now if we head back down, we will also find this little room with armor stands and another little hangout area. And through here we have the kitchen with a big stove, a cold room, an oven, and a lot of storage. And through here is just a small little cubby for storing things. And then up here we have another storage space and a hangout zone next to a plant room with a coarse tree in the middle. And then another little chill out zone for the guards, as well as guests. And then over here we have the prince and princess's bedrooms. So the princess room has a bunch of like research stuff, whereas the princess's room has like a bunch of like gems and such, and accessories. And then we have another bathroom. And my personal favorite spot, the garden, which has a big table as well as a bunch of special plants in it. So now that's the main castle, but there's also some more stuff. So first we have this like courtyard area, and over here we have the stables as well as the guest rooms. So we have guest bedrooms, and then in here we have another little hangout area, and as well as a bar. And if you go into this tower here, we have more storage and such, and at the top we have a catapult. If I go into this tower, you can see that there's more storage, some kegs, a crafting table, and a little lookout area. Another table and chill out area, and a bunch of storage for like ores. Next we have the blacksmith, where all the tools, armor weapons are made. So we have a bunch of furnaces, smithing tables, anvils, and armor and storage. And then up above it is the blacksmith's bedroom with special armor and some books right here. And in here we have a bunch more storage. And at the top is another catapult. And then, and also right here there's the what's it called? Archery range. And then here we have the ballroom with a big balcony at the top and another chill area at the bottom. And the last part we need to see is the basement for the castle, which I forgot to do. So first we have in the basement we have this like area with I guess the family's like royal crest, as well as a carpet pattern. And here we have the dungeons with prisoners. And here we have the torture chamber to get answers. And here we have another storage space. And then through here there's the nether portal room, storage room, like a relic room, I guess. The armory, which has a lot of armor, and this is for the chief. And then another map room. And here's a better look at the storage room. And lastly, there's also a secret room that is inside the throne room. So if we go through here, through this trap door, and then crawl through this, we will find a secret hallway, which if we go all the way to the end of it, we will find both a hidden armory for the king and queen, as well as a bunch, sort of like the storage vault for the kingdom's goods. So yeah, that's the castle that I've made, and yeah.
Tutorials by who?
Oh yeah, the tutorial I made it from is by bluenerd.